Hi there, this is Shannon Huffman-Polson, and I'm author of The Grit Factor, Courage, Resilience, and Leadership in the most male-dominated organization in the world. I want to talk to you today for your 90 seconds of grit about burnout. I just talked to a client today who's concerned because leaders are working to take care of people so that they don't burn out, but they're worried that it's already a little bit too late. What do you do in a time like this, unprecedented time, when your people are feeling burned out? The studies that have been done over the past year show that many people are working longer hours in the pandemic than they were before. As a leader, there are three things that you can do right away. The first is to ensure personal connection to each of your people. I heard recently about American Express having an employee who called in sick and was sick for several days, and the company sent him chocolate chip cookies. Another company has been sending fresh flowers every week to their employees. What personal connection can you make with the people that work for you, with your team? It might just mean picking up the phone regularly and checking in, but it might mean a thoughtful touch as well that really makes them feel appreciated and touches them in a way that's just not possible in our remote work today. The second thing is set boundaries. Leaders understand that everybody wants to contribute, but because we're all working remotely, that means many of us are working longer hours. How can you set boundaries on work for your employees? One thing a leader can do is to be sure that you never schedule a meeting before, say, 8 o'clock a.m. or before 9 o'clock a.m. Make sure that every meeting has ended by 5. Make sure that you're not sending emails to which you expect a response outside of those hours. Talk to your employees about setting those boundaries and tell them that you're going to be helping them do that to take care of themselves so that they can take care of their families, their loved ones, and best contribute to their work. Finally, find something to look forward to in the future. Something in 2022 now. We don't quite know how 2021 is going to play out. But if you can set something exciting into the future and refer to it as an organization so that your culture is looking towards this thing that's exciting in the future, that's actually a possibility when we come through this really difficult time, that will help to generate energy and excitement and build your team. So those personal touches and personal connections, helping your team set boundaries on work and being transparent about how you're supporting them. And finally, looking together towards something exciting in the future. Here's to your grit.